Until now, we have calculated precision and recall using the spam example. But if you have to use it elsewhere, we have to make it generic. So let's try to come up with a generic equation of precision and recall in this video. Let's say our model classified these emails as spam. I am just writing S for spam. I have 3 correctly classified emails and 2 of the good ones are also marked as spam and the rest as not spam. So these emails are not spam. Now we know that these answers are correct and these answers are wrong. To simplify things, let me mark wherever the model predicted yes as positive and wherever the model predicted not spam, NS, as negative. Now what I will do is I will call the cases wherever the answer is correct and the prediction is positive as true positives. And these cases I will call as true negatives. And on the similar lines, wherever the answer is wrong and the prediction is negative, that is not spam, I will call such cases as false negatives. And these cases are false positives. Now, originally, what was the recall calculation? Recall was 3 out of 5. That is, I filtered out 3 out of the 5 spam emails. So my recall is 3 by 5. Now how do I redefine recall with the help of these new terminologies? In the denominator, I have true positives plus false negatives in the denominator. That is, this entire set, these 5 spam emails will be nothing but true positives plus false negatives. So let me write TP for true positives and FN for false negatives. And what do I have in the numerator? These 3 emails, the count of 3, which is nothing but true positives. So recall can be redefined as the ratio of true positives and the sum of TP and FN, that is true positives and false negatives. Now how did I arrive at precision? Precision was out of 5 spam emails that my model identified, only 3 were actually spam. How did I get this calculation? How many emails did my model identify? These 5 of them, which is nothing but the sum of true positives and false positives. Let me write TP and FP in the denominator. And what do I have in the numerator? Again, I have the TP, that is true positives. So precision is this ratio. Now you can see that as we have discussed earlier, recall takes the false negatives into consideration, which is nothing but the number of missed spam emails. And precision takes the false positives into consideration, which is nothing but the misclassified good emails. So with this generic equation, we can go ahead and apply it to any other case and calculate precision, recall and FN score.